Now let's put some heat on this. Bathing in this cowboy butter. We're talking chicken wings today. I kind of been on a roll lately with chicken wings, and you know, when you get on a roll with something, you just gotta go with it. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna show you a wing recipe that's gonna blow your mind. It's unique. You're not gonna find it on a bunch of other channels. You're gonna find it right here on Delmarva Backyard so that you can get out there and cook it in your backyard. And that's what it's all about. Let's get started. I recently did a video about a picanha I picked up in a grocery store locally. My original idea with that video is for some filet steaks, but when I saw the picanha, I was like, I have to do this sauce with the picanha. It's the ultimate sauce with the ultimate piece of beef. And then I got to thinking, like, if it's the ultimate sauce for beef, it's probably good on other stuff too. So let's give it a shot. And guess what? It's amazing on chicken wings. And that's what we're doing tonight. We are doing cowboy butter chicken wings. So it starts with 2 sticks of unsalted butter. And we're just gonna use a little saucepan for this. 2 sticks or 1 cup of butter. And to that, we're going to add, you can use any Dijon mustard, but I just really love this Duke's brown sugar bourbon. Tablespoon of dry chives. And I like them dry because they're gonna give a little more of an intense flavor. Tablespoon of finely fresh chopped parsley. 2 teaspoons of thyme. Again, I went dry. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon or 1 lemon's worth of juice. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whole teaspoon of coarse black pepper. And to add a little heat, I have 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Obviously, if you want a little more heat, you could add a little more of that or this, which is 1/8 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Last ingredient is a tablespoon of fine, fresh chopped green onion. Now let's put some heat on this. And we're just gonna put this on medium-low heat and kind of let that butter start melting, keeping it stirred. And I'm gonna reduce it down, brown it up a little bit for about a half an hour. All right, I got 2 pounds of chicken wings, and I just put them in a nice foil pan, and we're just gonna simply dump all this flavor, this cowboy butter, in and on the wings. Make sure they're all evenly coated. I'm gonna smoke about 275. It's gonna take about 2 hours. We're an hour in. I'm gonna flip these guys around a little bit just to make sure they're just bathing in this cowboy butter. And then I want to raise the temperature up to 350. And we'll take them up to about an internal temperature of around 170. And then we're going to put them out on the racks and let them catch some smoke and make sure they're biting through perfect. All right, we're an hour and a half in. And what we're gonna do is take these guys, dip them in the sauce, Just put them right out on the rack.
The trick here is to get some grill marks and some smoke flavor on these wings. Color equals flavor. Once they have the color we're looking for and they're about 190 to 195 degrees Fahrenheit, dip them back in the sauce, put the wing back on the grill for 5 or 10 minutes just to let the sauce set, and you got some cowboy butter wings.
Let's try these cowboy butter chicken wings. Oh man, it feels like it's about to fall off the bone. Like I feel like I need to put my hand underneath of it. Oh man. I mean, it's just unreal how juicy it is. We did like bathe it in butter, but I mean, it's so juicy. It's so delicious. You get kind of a sweet, smooth sensation at first, and then you feel just a little bit of heat, just kind of touch, you know, your tongue, and then kind of slide down your throat, and then you're like, how hot's it gonna get? And then it just fades away, and it's just like, oh, that was perfect. This is an amazing recipe, guys. I'm telling you, I've been on a roll with these wing recipes. Give them a shot, take them out in the backyard, cook them out like I just showed you, and I promise you're gonna have some incredible backyard barbecue. If you got something out of this video, the best way you can support Delmarva Backyard is to share this video with someone else that's gonna watch it, as well as leave any questions or comments you may have down in the comment section below. Now it's time to eat some more wings. I'll catch you guys on the next video. I gotta walk away from these things. Good night.